welcome to the highly anticipated and very late 2025 Halloween clean and decorate with me. Life has just been so busy lately, but we're going to kick off Vlogtober, which means you're getting 5 videos a week. So make sure you're subscribed, have your notifications turned on, but let's get into cleaning and decorating. The house is already all decorated for fall, but we want to make it spooky, and I'm going to start setting the mood by lighting. How adorable is this candle, by the way? Is that not one of the cutest candles? Why wouldn't it focus? You've ever seen this candy apple cauldron candle. The lid is just phenomenal, and it smells amazing too. But we're going to light this and start decorating. And I freaking love that. It's so cute. I set it like that, actually, so that it's kind of on the bubbles. Isn't that cute? All right, I was trying to decide which cleaner to go with today. So I sprayed the clementine here and smelled it. And then I sprayed the sandalwood and cedar over here. And I decided I'm going with this one because it smells more like fall to me. All right, got all the Halloween stuff brought up from the basement so we can get this party started. Let's start by taking down the fall decor in here. Not gonna lie, I really loved the fall decor this year, but the kids have been begging me to make it spooky for a few weeks now, so we'll change it out with the fall, in with the spooky. I'm just going to wipe everything down with that multi-surface cleaner, which smelled amazing. And now I'm going to add those Halloween pillows and some cozy blankets. Perfect for spooky movie nights in here. Like a lot of mamas out there, I was feeling so tired and I just needed to reevaluate my diet and how I was eating to make sure that I had enough energy to make it through the day. I realized I was not eating enough protein. So for context, you're supposed to have about 1 gram of protein for every pound that you weigh. So that means I should have roughly around 130 grams of protein every single day. And I wasn't, and I was so tired. Sometimes I feel like protein is just one of those things that's sort of hard to have as an on-the-go snack. And that's just my lifestyle. I'm on the go all the time. I would try some protein bars, but I just didn't like the taste of any of them until I found David protein bars. And you guys, these are my absolute favorite protein bars. You know that. And just a huge thank you to David for sponsoring today's video. I just love their protein bars so much because they have 28 grams of protein and only 150 calories. One of my favorite flavors is the chocolate chip cookie dough flavor. It is so freaking good. You've got to try it for yourself. It's got like these little crispies in it, and there's none of that funky fake sugar aftertaste. And it's so soft and chewy. I'm obsessed. You guys know this. Whether I'm on my feet cleaning and decorating all day or running errands, I always make sure I have a David protein bar packed in my bag because it is just the perfect high protein snack. And I think this is why so many athletes and doctors and dietitians also love David protein bars, because it's such a great high protein snack option. And clearly other people love these protein bars too, because they have been sold out for like the last 2 months and they are finally back in stock on the David website. Be sure to grab some before they sell out again. I'll have the QR code here on the screen as well as a link down in my description box below, or you can check out where you can get them in person by using the store locator on the David website. And thank you again to David for sponsoring today's video.
I want to make you my lover. Can you feel me watching through the phone? Hiding out undercover. Call me when you're all alone.
Now let's work on the Halloween mantle. I love doing this a little bit different every year. And this year, I feel like there's something missing. So I might come back to this in a few days. I don't know if anybody else does it, but that's kind of my process, is I'll put everything up and sort of live with it for a little bit, and then I'll add and tweak it. And I guess it's because I'm a perfectionist, right? But I found a few extra pillows while I was getting out some of the other decor, so I added those to the couch too.
Come closer, I just want to play. I want to make you my lover. Can you feel me watching through the phone? Hiding
Supervisor sleeping on the job as usual.
when you're all alone.
And now let's decorate the entertainment center shelves.
Been easy, it's tearing me apart, it's driving me crazy from deep inside my soul. Can you hear me praying and begging you, please, not to forsake me? I want to go all the way. I know what you need and I won't let you down. I have so much I need to say. Come closer, I just want to play. I want to make you my lover. Can you feel me watching through the phone? Hiding out undercover. Call me when you're all alone. I want to make you my lover. Can you feel me watching through the phone? Hiding out undercover. Call me when you're all alone. Listen, I've been running for the man, like a hunger strike from crown. Don't know how long you can last, as long as eyes hard to pass. Better do what I
and wanted to clean the floors because there is always decor debris on the ground after decorating, especially with the feather boa. There was a bunch of little feather pieces. So I wanted to vacuum and mop in here so the floors are nice and clean, and it smelled so good. Smells so good and clean in here right now. And I've got my little tomato wire ghost, and it is getting spooky in here. As I was decorating too, it actually started raining outside and got really cloudy, so it's just ready for spooky season. Everybody, all my supervisors are sleeping on the job. Hi girlies. But yeah, I figured, I just fell onto the couch. It's one of those days. But yeah, I'm just loving this in here right now. I do need to replace all of the batteries though in those. They're totally used up from just having them up since August. And I've got these black and white pictures that I took of the kids that I put out every Halloween. I just love that one. I painted. But just, you know, a fun little DIY if you guys are looking for a way to decorate that is not expensive at all. Let's take, you know, little black and white Halloween face paint pictures of your kids and put them out. But okay, I have a question for you guys. I have had a couple people make comments about this, that I should take the TV wall and basically take down those shelves and put the TV here. But I do, like, the only reason I haven't done it is because then I know that window is gonna basically be completely blocked, which I don't know. I mean, there's a lot of light in here anyways with the skylights and these windows. So would you do that, I guess is my question, and basically flip-flop where the couch would go here and TV would go here? Let me know in the comments what you think.
Got no money, I got no ride. Think I got lost in your flawless eyes, and now I'm wasting all my time on guys like you. So you thought that I'd learn by now, but it's a 4-year-old kid still talking. But were we still talking about that? I guess it's much easier for you. Why is it so much easier for you?
isn't the time. I actually have to get ready for a business dinner that I have tonight. When I get home, I might try to finish the kitchen or I might just do part 2. We're gonna kind of have to play by ear on what time it's done and what time I get home. But one thing I want to do, I'm not kidding, I'm like in the mood to do it this week. Like I feel like I need to do it. I think I'm gonna paint the kitchen. I put on Instagram, I was debating between the walls or the cabinets. I haven't 100% decided, but I think I'm leaning towards doing the walls just because for like resale, a lot of people were pointing out white cabinets would be better and like it's easier to change wall color if somebody doesn't like the wall color than change the cabinets. If this was my forever home, I'd probably paint the freaking cabinets mauve because the picture I saw on Pinterest is just so cute. I'll try to put it in here when I edit this, but yeah, so let me know though if you have a strong opinion either way. I'll put in both of the pictures too in case you see it on Instagram of whether you think I should paint the walls or the cabinets and then like change out the hardware is what I'm thinking, just to do a little kitchen refresh. And I still feel like it's gonna go with what my seasonal decor is in here. I could be wrong about that, but I feel like it will all still go and it will just be like a nice little update to the kitchen because I'm always in the kitchen. I feel like I want it to be like, I want it to feel like really me. But okay, let me know in the comments.